Hello, this is my instructional video for the 5th chapter of the Grade 1 Music Theory book, which is on semiquavers. So we're introducing a new time value. We've already done in the first chapter semi-breve, looking like that, which is worth 4 beats, and then a minim 2 beats, a crotchet 1 beat, and a quaver a half a beat. And now we're introducing a semiquaver, which is a quarter of a beat. And a semiquaver is like a quaver, but it's got an extra tail on, just to show essentially that it's a quaver split in half. So all you have to do for the first exercise is fill in the rest of the notes in this table. For the second exercise, you've done something similar before, so you're thinking about which way the stems go on the notes. So we're going to draw that note, and then the next note up, 2 tails, and then carry on up. When we get to the middle line note, we're going to turn it round so that the stems go down the same way as that one. The third exercise is fairly straightforward. We're just filling in the time names and the time values, which you can get from the table at the top of the page, and then writing the time values in order from the shortest to the longest and the longest to the shortest. On page 17, we've got some more maths problems. So here we've got this one, which is a quarter, and this one, which is a quarter. And if you've done your fractions maths, you'll know that a quarter and a quarter is a half. Oh, whoops. I don't want to write a half. I want to write the note that's a half, which is a quaver. And just watch down here, we've got some mixed up note values here. So for instance, a quarter and a half and a quarter. Then fill in the number. A quaver equals how many semiquavers? So you can look over at your table here. There you go. A quaver is 2 semiquavers in that instance. And then some more musical maths down at the bottom of the page. You've got to look at your time signatures. So this one, 2/4, remember, means 2 crotchets in every bar. So here we've got half a beat and 1. So I've got 1 1/2 altogether in that bar. So I need another half to make it up to 2 altogether. And then here, these work the same way as the beamed quavers. So these are 3 semiquavers. It's like you've taken the 2 tails on the semiquaver, these 2 tails, and joined them together over the top in a beam. So here we've got 1, 2, 3 semiquavers, which is 3 quarters, and 1 there. So we've got 1 3/4 already. We need another quarter to make it up to 2.